Welcome to our in-depth guide on Forex trading. Today, we'll share valuable strategies, tools, and tips to help you unlock your Forex trading potential and achieve financial success. Let's get started. To succeed in Forex trading, it's essential to understand the basics and continue learning. Let's discuss how to build a strong foundation. Next, let's dive into the different types of trading strategies, such as technical, fundamental, and sentiment analysis, and how to create a customized trading plan. One of the keys to Forex trading success is effective risk management. We'll discuss stop-loss orders, position sizing, diversification, and balancing risk and reward. Having the right tools can make all the difference in your trading success. We'll explore trading platforms, charting tools, economic calendars, and Forex news sources. In this segment, we'll talk about cultivating a winning mindset by developing emotional intelligence, discipline, patience, and adaptability. Finally, let's cover some top tips for Forex success, including finding the right broker, keeping a trading journal, staying informed, and networking with other traders. Thanks for joining us in this comprehensive guide to Forex trading. With dedication and persistence, you can achieve financial success in the Forex market. Keep learning and growing, and happy trading!